Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to change toners in a LaserJet Pro 500 HP MFP M570dn. See, this is a very good machine, color machine. What you do, something simple, you just clip here, put it down, so you can see this, just pull it out. This is a yellow machine, yellow toner. The best thing about HP is they come with drums, so there's no stress of you looking for the dev. You have to look for the drum, whatever. Whenever you change a toner, it means you got a new drum, new dev, new toner, right? Put it back, then you go to magenta, you do the same thing, take it out, put it back, go to this also, cyan, take it out, put back, go to black, and put it. So that's why HP is selling much. This also the same trick Canon uses it, you get me? So HP and Canon, I think they are sisters. So this is a HP LaserJet Pro 500 color MFP M570dn. So that's it. So if I want to put in paper, come here, put in the tray, close. So if you want to make a copy, you come here up. That's it, guys. I don't want to be so longer, but this is good. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. So if the video is fine, please subscribe, comment, and follow us. That's it.